Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix low views on TikTok. Open your TikTok app. So now we look how to increase your TikTok views. Firstly, you need to upload a new video like this. After you add your video, make sure to add a catchy caption with the best keywords and hashtags that match to your video. By doing this, you can increase your views and reach your wider audience. After you have posted your video, you will see a search icon in here. Simply tap on it and you can share your video with others. By doing so, you can increase your views. Remember, the more you share your video, the more likely it is to be seen by others. So don't hesitate to share your content with your friends, family and followers. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.